Dabana dabainata. Mbamang bia. Kana mor yuzang balzan tamal mawsuni. Antanyala karma. Kozangu bayazang tabletaba. Nzangu bana zang padakane nanang da pandam wana da pandam kanwala biyar shale kabapana tonana kana yala karma ana yilsilan kal tabl magbal magl malango anyala luzumba dal banga na tandal banga nyambol dabba kanyambol parba apala sucher banga na moglu yo tamma banga dandale dabatu bela ya kote ya danje ya gala kona dala tumlu na kum na karukum ni yaga kabapana tonana kotukum ni yaga na ngui.
Good evening, my brothers and sisters. This is your brother, your father, your grandfather, the great Mala Yakubu. I'm here to introduce myself to people, to let people to know what they call spirit. I'm here. A person who watching me, my brother, my sister, you are the one who is watching me on the screen. And I'm here today. The great Mother Yakubu #1. Only me in Western Africa. Only me. And I wanted to tell you something, my brother. I'm here to greet you, to see how you are. After our fire festival, I couldn't come here to greet you. And I'm here to greet you, to let you know who I am, and you also you let me know who you are. So if you are watching me, just look on the screen and pick my number and contact me. I said just look on the screen and pick my number, the great man and Yakubu, and contact me. I am the only powerful spiritual man who can change your life, my brother. I am the only powerful spiritual man who can let you to be someone in future. My brother, I'm not here to insult anyone. I'm here to let you know what they call spirit. My brother, or my sister, or my mother, I'm asking you a question. What is spiritually? Answer me. If you cannot answer me the question, just pick my number on the screen and contact me. And if they ask you a question, what is spiritually? Spiritual means patient. Yeah. Patient. Yeah. And my reason is, the reason why I say patient, if you have a problem and you want the problem to solve, and if you don't have a patient, the problem cannot solve in this world. And before you be a rich man in the world, you're supposed to pass some second issues before you be a rich man in this world. Yeah. Yeah. Trust me. Because the reason why I say, just ask your father or your mother or your friend who is a rich man. Ask him which road he pass and get money or he be a rich man. Patient is 1. Shame is 2. And hungry is 3. Because you risk your life and gather some money, say that because of you want to be someone in future, my brother. And I don't want to talk much. Try to be patient. And then you'll be a rich man. Do you understand? In this world, any problem that you have, try to be patient. And you want somebody to help you to get it, my brother, try to be patient. Actually, yeah, trust me. I'll never lie to you. And I'm here because of you. And you are here, you also you are watching me because of me. And I wanted to tell you, people have been here to take people's money. Many people's. And even me myself, people are using my pictures, my programs, to take people's money, but not me. And if you want to meet me, the great man Yakubu, #1, if you get my number, you contact me. And my number is 024-650-6334. 024-650-6334. And if you are outside Ghana and you need my number, you can contact me on +233-24-650-6334. That's my number. And I want you to know something about the spiritually. I'm here to let you know what they call spirit. Sim, I'm a Dogomba man. Magani, outside people, you say Magani. And I said to people, you say Aduro. Messi, if you pay Aduro, family number the great Mala Yakubu. Offer and yes, I'm a Casabreo, Dabi, no how won't and I also come to Minty. And I'm a person, I just want to give you some scenario, my brother. You have a problem. You understand? And it is Almighty Allah who creates me and creates you. But what I have, you don't have it. And it's Allah who gives it to me. And I wanted to tell you something you can understand. My brother, if you have a problem, and I said out, I'll help you. I'm there because of you, and I'm supposed to do what today. And you are sick, and I'm your doctor. So I'm supposed to what? To know the procedure I'll pass, or the road I'll pass, and be healthy in future. You understand? So I'm here to let you know what they call spiritually, my brother. Just watch me, the great man and Yakubu. As I pick my number on the screen and contact me, I'm there because of you. And you are there because of me. Do you understand? And many madams are here to say that they are a spiritual man, but you send your money, your problem is not solving. Forget about anyone. As I pick my number, the great man and Yakubu. Anybody who says he's a great man like is a liar. I am the only one, and I promise myself. I believe in myself. I have it. I have it. Spirit, I have it. Magani, inna she. I drew me will be. Anyone who will call you, he say about money. My brother, contact me and I'll give you a spiritual money. And you'll be a someone. Yeah, contact me. Just pick my number on the screen and contact me. And you'll be a someone. Trust me. Trust me. So I'm here to let you know, my brother, if you have any problem, and the problem is about a spiritually, pick my number and contact me, the great man Yakubu. Yeah, pick my number and contact me, the great man Yakubu, and I'll change your life. I'll just change your life, my brother. I want to tell you something, my brother. Please, it's Allah, it's God who give you a problem, and it is God who let you see me in this evening, watching me live. And he's the one let you know that I am the one who solve the problem. That is why you are watching me right now. My brother, me catch you say, oh how unti brofo. Me see nyame and a ball me and a nyame on the ball. And a nyame no and on my problem. And a nyame no kasa na ma way the ben. Ocho kwan so a ofa papa wa hu anadwo no. Funny number na friend na me catch you say o problem nya ba solve. Wasam nyina ba solve. My brother, me mama, me papa, mama, I am the great man Yakubu Nekasano. If any me one for my number from the Wabaka. Yeah. One for my number from the Wabaka. Me pesa me kasa bebre. Yeah. If I say Adru, I am me. If I say Tim, the gum of a bisa, I'm say Tim, men I me Tim near. And you'll be a Tim Kale. And offer, mommy, papa, open little number. Open some qua butchery. What you must say, yet, mammy, ought to nema and a name on Uncle Ye. Miss me power chow from a number na frame. Now made a great Mala Yakubu, Membow, and Mao how be and solve it. Me power chow from a number na frame. Ena manya mutani Ghana, ko manya mutani dunia baduka. Ni the great man Yakubu da didin ganna nan gane ina so muku wan magana. Wani bayani ne. Ai kun sa ina nan domin ku kuma kuna duba domin ni. Ina nan gane mutanye danwana musulmai, danwana wanda basu da wanda suke da in ka san kana wani magana kai ka kira ni da great malam Yakubu she nin tanye ka she bukatan ka biya da ikon Allah in kana Nigeria ni kana Gambia ni kana UK ni duniyan ga ko ina nace kana so ni kade ne da great malam Yakubu in ana batun kudi maganan kudi nace ke ba aushe ni ni ma da gomba shin na jin ausu din ina maka bayani don shi doka nan ba ka kira shirin ta ne kashe bukatan ka biya in ba ka doka nan ba na wallahi kai bashi kaji abokina mmana babana doka nan ba na ya kira ne insha Allah bukatan ka ya biya da ikon Allah mabe dagwamba iyaga ibia iba the great malam Yakubu wani ya ku kara yin wani caki ban bai sha ban yana tim ba timbe ta da ban bisan kalabiya ta sane won kam yana kala na ya duma opa dagbana na hon zo pa dagbana timbe biya ne ai bona nya tim sha bo ame ti yap anan ku dudu ti yap na ma dudu ka ti gina ma sa bunu patu so ka ti tamama kasu kan lebo ni bam putin da kal na bana ku putin tim na bana ayi mba kale my brothers and sisters I just want to tell you something then you can understand me more. Many pastors are on the television saying that they can charm your money, they can do so and so. My brother, I want to ask you a question. You are a Christian, I'm a Muslim, and I'm a spiritual man again. And I want to tell you some scenario, my brother. I'm not Allah, I'm not Jesus, I'm not God. But I promise you that I can solve your problem for you. Yeah, trust me. Don't go anywhere. Pick my number. If you are abroad, just you. If you go to YouTube, you will see me. YouTube, you will see me, the great man Yakubu. If you go to Instagram, I'm there. If you go to Facebook, I'm there. But I wanted to tell you, if you want to see me, simple, pick my number and text me on WhatsApp. That is all. But you go Facebook, you see many Mala Yakubu, people are using my picture, you think I'm the one, I'm not the one. I'm the one sitting in your face just right now, just this evening. Pick my number, my brother, and contact me and I'll solve your problem. If you want to win a lotto number, you can contact me. If you want to go to abroad, you can contact me. If you want instant money, you can contact me. And if you want to join a group to be a billionaire in 1 month time, you can contact me. And if you want pocket no dry, my brother, you can contact me, please. You can contact me, okay? Please, you can contact me. So I'm there to solve your problem. I'm there to solve it. But I'm not here to give you a problem. Do you understand what I mean? I'm there to solve a problem. I'm not here to give you a problem. Nna nangani, mfite kuchukun abingani magana ni ba nna nangani sta kuchukun magana bani. Don shi ya hankuri manyan mutane in ke na mace ne ke na miji ne baba na amma na ya hankuri duba kan skin na ki doka nan ba na ki kira ni dan wani abuya in ki san kina sai kaya kina sayar kaya be kasuwan be zuwa da kyau ya hankuri ki kira ni bukatan mu ya biya da ikon shi ba iko mu ba ikon Allah insha Allah bukatan mu ya biya in kin san kuma kina son kudi ne kin ki barin gane in kin san kina son kudi kiya kibarin gane ni ne da great malam Yakubu da nafta daga Western Africa ina ke ba kisan the largest village of West Africa Yendi nafto Yendi ne I live in Yendi and the largest village in Western Africa is Yendi, so I live there. So if you have any problem spiritually, I don't want to talk much. After here I'll just do some actions. I'll just use this thing to collect some money to see. You understand? I'll just do some actions. Not plenty. You understand? But because many people are here, if you just talk like this, and then you don't do something, you say, oh, this might not have magic. And then we talk is magical. Come for me, and the problem will solve. Come for me, and your problem will solve. You can see many people are talking about me, the great man Yaku. Many people. Many people, they are talking about me. You understand? So I just want you to know about it spiritually. If you want to know more about it spiritually, don't say that they take your money. This man have take your money or this man have take your money. No. As I pick my number and contact me and I'll solve your problem. I don't have any problem with anybody in this world. But if you need a problem between me, I'll help you. But I want to tell you something. If you know that you don't have the money, please don't take my number and contact me. No, never. Because some people will have a problem and he will call you and say that he don't have the money, but he have a problem. So who do you think that he will take his money to buy the item for the week? And I'm not there because of money, because God has already blessed me. So I'm there to remove my what? My colleagues Ghana in a problem. So if you know that you have a problem, and even you are not in Ghana, in this world, pick my number and contact me and WhatsApp me and I'll solve your problem. Yeah, I don't want to talk much. After here, I'll go some place again and speak small and just charge some money. I just will do some little thing to see. You understand? So please, and I'll help you. But I'll do some small action and you see. You see something.
Nti say nka ya ba besi no esese won ye bibi na me ye den minti mi hu dwoma ye den ekosoma ye
etu pesa ohun bibi ana asesen fa ade na mama eda fon fa mama fa me siro de fa mama
metumi afa
fa mama me siro fa mama amafo ade a mo se entimi ye de ben ade we na me pesa me fan ye de ben mi ka cham se e pake no da me pesa me fan ye asanchire na obi amafo bi ye de ben entimi hu no mo hwe calabash no mo wan ka se ho enje
mo nyina mo hwem
je na hwe na fa cham
amafo mo hwem wasi o pesa o ye bibia na mo nyina mo ni tua de o kana se
me de ade na e de ben e be chire mo
aha bibia nim so hu nti wase me fa chire mo na mo nyina mo ntimi hu de ekoso ntimi de si ho
fasio amafo mo nyina ma hunu bibia nim ma hunu aha ntimi pesa me ye de ben me fantum na mo hwe eninie na me pa che so na physical no me dia kata so fe enwira fita na enwira bi da se fama me pe jan ho kakra na fama enwira bi da ho meba wo de kita meba wa ya bo te kakra fama amam for de be ni enwira fita me bia nim ma ho
o se mo he o na de be ni o de tira mo se
o ja o kiti katapa ya amwata kwanta mbete test market mo fata shakala wo o kiti katapa ya abana mamwata kwanta azambe mo fata hata mata fata shata mata fata kata mata kata sim هنا جفتا تفتا شتا بتا اوفا يبني
adena we ya basa
inya iskasum yi ya ade na ade ben afisa skan yina
sikani
skan no
amafo se mo yo
sika ene na afisa
skan na hwi ni mo na to se otimi hu se sika pa na ode egu osam
we sika amafo ma we mo 2000 Ghana cedis
no
amafo we
sika na hwi nim so se
me pesa mo hu se we sika
se mo hu
open bo abra mala yakubu ho skiri so me number da so frɛ me mala yakubu o yendi akura so mo frɛ ho bago mala yakubu pesa mo hu se we asade mala yakubu ono wa bibia ede amo bia o ma sere me mala yakubu
na mo nyina mo hwem na
bibia nim o ma sere
se mo hu ya apie to sisi a
bibia na bibia ana o hwɛ na bibia wom ana o hwɛ na bibia wom bibia nim
eno ana ode a kyerɛ nyina no asase ni kakra na wanya ye nam ne sume ni etua sei pa tumi wo bebi ankasa
me pese unsan se we are sad if I'm free sika me mala ya me na me sika
sa pepe
what ma say the sika me na me bank if you person friend me na me like me manager for a bank owner me no
intimi nim no kore nim otimi eye abrochi me musika so nyina
we hu ni nya wa say me petetem what it cameraman mpa ocho fa kwewe mama mpa ocho de ba na wom hwem de ba na wom cameraman de ba na wom aha ama for mo hwem
se mo hwem
be bia nim what ma say there aha me pese mo hu say we are sad me Malam Yakubu me time like uhia me a if anya me a onye obi adu me Malam Yakubu what ma say there aha me no wa okiti katapa ya abrema mo wetokota tesmam ketemam ja jahene tafata shatanjwa chakata mata fata hata mata shatamata fata shatamata kata fata mata do akomani to go commission to go rubber to go and ben mama currency the dollar pounds chule cameraman come what is inside mo hwem de be na wom
o mo hwem
wa ka sa hwem na ka kire mo na mo hwem na de be na wom
sika na egum no
sika
sika nko a o intimitimi yibi
we obetima yi obetima sika
inti sika nko a ni
sika no Malam Yakubu o hia me bra ka ti be skin so Malam Yakubu me akasa no be sa we say Malam Yakubu hia me bra ka skin so no obe wo mi number sika
wo
we abroche man musika je nadi pese wan kasa woni sika na
we dollar so dollar san kasa mutina munyina mutimi hu
Malam Yakubu me no me pese wo say like
dollar san kasa ni
ama for me hia sika me ba me sika je di
sika pani
we dey di
nti we nyina ya hwan dia
Malam Yakubu me na me ka say o face cabra
nti we hwan nyina hwan sika ni
o bela Malam Yakubu o mutima say de aha me no Malam Yakubu
kana sise obi a o face
cabra na bra Malam Yakubu che o mutima say de
o timi twa na no ba
so me na da so na wan de ben
o se na ba na desk so
frame
o betimi a frame no betimi a ko so yi ama o
ji kan o sika na wie o
sika na
enya wie we sika Malam Yakubu o hia Malam Yakubu abra ne nchen
Malam Yakubu
me Malam Yakubu
me hu bi da me hu
wa actually we eketwa we eketwa after here ko busindam ho mpanyifo ho wa ka so we hu say aduro ye wa aduro ne wa
say yesina nanom ho a wo hu be me hu de etsen sa akura
me no Malam Yakubu me na say jisika o ma say de aha anya bibia Malam o hia Malam Yakubu abra ye ni akura say
enti me koamisika
Uhia Malam Yakubu da bare yende yakwa first kino so na fana na mada friend o friend asem bia ope obetuma de obetuma nya for o province nya fama no pastor bia so obetuma bo twantro utuma se de chira bosu mo nya aduro wo hen chira bosu so no nya aduro no nya obetuma so be se bra no de region mi Malam Yakubu na me ka chiro no utuma se de aha we asam kito eni mama Malam Yakubu uhia sika ana uhia mbo bia bra mi Malam Yakubu nche mebo utuma se de na bia ye fama o utuma se but one na dey wa wonu we action a small action after here ye ko busun dem mpanyimfo no ho wa ka se duro mo nche obeta asma de be
we wa hwa honom de anyoma akasa beti wo ho de
unsuro
dise ye duro ho akasa se akasa de se ye nyanduro ho
unsuro de if unsuro de betima akọ ho cameraman ye wi ayere ye kọ ho odima se de aha enti ye wi asa ye kọ busun mpanyimfo no nche ye kọ mo nche ya mo akasa mo hun asma de be wo ho odima se de if uhia Malam Yakubu akasa kres kirmi so ni number da so frɛ no ono akasa be fa
nti se wo pe Malam Yakubu se ya wo hwe screen so ne number a le buso no obi ara be ka che wo timi fa sa number ne pe na wo frɛ na wo sabe ka Malam Yakubu na wo so abrabo bia hawo ana sem bia hawo wo abrabo mu wo timi de to Malam Yakubu anim a wo so wo benya de wo akoma den epe yesi wiase de wo a wo tena bebe fa akon wo timi nya de wo pe na gise wo so wo timi tu anamon na wo tu anamon a ho na wo so benya de wo nya de wo pe so wo abrochi memu hefon obetimi afre Malam Yakubu na woni na eka bibia so be koso yi amamu na moso nya de mo pe koso yi Malam Yakubu me pese wo kirekire bi mu na wo ma me so me hu de wo ye wodem ho no de ene de me hu se wo ye bibi so ese wo ye bibi wa hana mentimi hu nyoma so ewo nana no manim
enti wo pese ohun bibi wo pese ohun ade o mu fe aduro
sa pepepe epese me so
me Malam Yakubu wo pese ohun ade o fe aduro
who said we be and so say say we be na mentimi who say am pass this day e koso wona na no we hunu what ba say ene amate we hunu e fi se me bo mo amane me bo mo amane wi a ne hu se de me fa bagu yi fa bagu ma me mentimi fa enyoma na eguso me si fa chimle Yesu me pesa wan kasa man bi Yesu die bagra wan kasa bi mu amanfo mo hwe o ase me bi Yesu nti se so me Yesu wan kasa bi na fa kire o me dia amamu wan kasa bi na fa kire o wan kasa no le kire ala Yakob se ni bi bibia so na mo ye dan na mo hwe de ekoso se ni bi na me fa bibia nkira mo se mo kasa mo so mo hwem na me yi nkira mo na so mo ye dan na mo hwem a mo aso mo betumi o se bibia ni bag no no pese me ye dan me yi mo na mo so mo ntimi nku o se ni bag mo na mo akasa mo so me hwem pa se apa tumi wo ho because se o pese o ye bibia na mo so mo hu mo timi dia dance ye se ampa bag ne mo die na o ye nda bibia ni ma sa na wono so wo hye bibia ase ene ye se die tumi wo ho da tumi sene so what ya see se mi bibia na mo ntimi hu mo yie se mo timi he mo yie akasa mo timi ho se hwe ni timi ne kira amanfo mo amunyina mo ni tua nti wo a wo so pe bibia na obetimi ho se ampa enye se enundwa no ye dey wo ye bibia de se ntimi ye na mo ntimi hu se mo amutimi ke hwe ni ti akiri de ne yana me de are e si ho ni ahwe de malam Yakob e ba be are amaye ya sa e sa o be be se obi an se ba bi ayi bi mo se bi are de eni ba ko so fasu mali o wi bi ya o de fasu o na se le be se ko me de o se wi ye nyina ye ti nya ba ko da o ti ma se de ama fo ba gni ni mo hwe mo dia ni mo ba no ba gni ni dia ni mo mala Yakob besa me yebi na nya wele mo ko ya sa do se mo he bag ne bi ye bi ya no wo pese mo ma so nte no nti mo he mo ye bi ye ni ama vo mo he engera ko kono no mo he Maun Okiti katapaya ya abanama huwa takatabrata jaja hinja fatashatabata hafu kubatatwa tafatadwa pese amofo ho se me mala Yakob no menya ni paketwa ewo kurumase ana wiasa utma se de mala Yakob nipa oye na bebe nipa ifsome de omusuru utma se de I think pese amofo ho se like anya anudwa ene meye utma se de me wa se no ha se ni be de be ba buan krofo utma se many ha se like me be jim krofo ska dia na bisi nyami adika de be ashira me utma se de and to me mother Yakob no like ohia mbo bia vrem peskim no so me na ba o frem na won sabe ka de be okay una se ne na o ka tia no se o ye bia o pese mo so mo hu di o ye na se no ye so ba ha so be jon krofo se ke bi no de na me hira de da so what ya se nti o se o ye bia ne adanse na mo so mo tunu hu di o koso enti tama o fa bagra de be na wo le fa bagra de no kore ni me de chiro bia po na hwe ni bag na mo we dey say ni say we ya san ni ni aso hu di akoso be say we say we asa ni yen yen ti nya ba ko o ma se de nyame boy okura wan boy nyina ba ko o ma se de nyame ono akaso bo wan boy nyina de me ada na wo sa o ke mo de na wo ai mo ngongo me si de na wo sika na ai mu ma Mesre, debe na wo. Nti sika nko ano no. Ndede wo de wa de me, wanye sika no. Wanye sika. Sa. Wo de wanye sika, wi asa wo mbreda. O na me di no nya de ma wo. Me de ma wo. Nti me ko bobra. Nti we ya me nko me dia. We de be. Sika wo. Sika no. Sika mo sika no. Amafo. Mutimi hu de akoso sika nko ani e. Mo hwe. Scan no, and you be a person who say a sika. A sika, a sika,
eya wode enye obia de me pese wo se amanfo we de ben sika me mala yakum mpe obia sika utma se de ya me adika de ben ashira me utma se de enti unhie sika bra me mala yakum nchen bibia ebeye de ben ma utma se de
enti we nyina ya me de
eya wo de me hie bibia de ben edi free wo nchen me mala yakwe $dollars utma se de we de ben $dollars dollars ano no utma se de aha we de ben $dollars utma se de
ene ma bra bo mu asesa
asesa me say asesa okwa wo yiro no nani be de ben nani ebe de ebe chi utma se